Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a 6? Yes, it has. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Has been very smart with his bowling changes. Well bowled, that's a jaffa. Couldn't time the ball well enough and picks up the... Good shot for a single. Turned away for a single. That's a good throw. Straight. Very good running between the wickets. Stopped at this level to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight. Beauty from the... Didn't get any timing on that one. Oh, he's clubbed that for a 6. That's a great hit. Lovely timing. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. That was a good ball and equally well played. It's also good for batting. Muscle, a magnificent shot for 4. Glorious, absolutely glorious.